Hi, this is Dorothy from BuildSoft. In this video, I will show you how to define tapered sections in diamonds. Now, on the left side, we have already defined some tapered cross sections, and I would also like to add them to the right side of the building. So I'm selecting all the roof beams, and these really consist of different pieces. And I open a section dialog. I will change the section type from constant to variable, and we can enter dimensions for section number 1, but section number 1 is just equal to the original cross section. And for section number 2, I can enter a different height, and I will choose for example 550, and I click OK. Now, this result is not probably the desired outcome, and the solution here is to work with section groups. And section groups, I will visualize them. They can be found over here in the pull down list of show groups. And as you can see, all the different pieces are not glued to each other, are not linked to each other. If you compare it to the other side, where the definition was okay and the outcome was as expected. So what we need to do over here is group the different sections. So I'm selecting these 3 pieces of the roof, and I hit group. And as you can see, this is what we were looking for. Now for the other ones, I will also group them. Here we are, and this is almost what we were looking for. Before I fix that, I want to share with you an insider tip to get even more productive with diamonds. If you have a large 3D model, like for example this one over here, you do not have to select bar per bar to make each group of sections or buckling groups and so on. No, you can just select all of them. Yes, really all of them. And I'm using the Control key for that. And I hit group. Diamonds automatically tries to make the largest group of aligned bars. Just like that. I return to the 2D model, and I turn off the section group visualizations because we don't need them anymore. The only thing I need to fix right now is the fact that the largest height is here in the middle, while I would prefer it to be closest to the column. So I'm selecting these 3 elements, and I'm opening section dialog again. Now here we can switch the positions of section number 1 and section number 2 with this option at the bottom, sequence of sections, and I'm choosing the other one, and I hit OK. And this was the outcome that we were looking for. Here we are, tapered sections in diamonds. Enjoy!